Phil Collins was pictured performing from a chair last night as he continued with Genesis' The Last Domino tour in Glasgow. The 70-year-old has been plagued with health issues in recent years and recently admitted that he's no longer able to play the drums. Despite his ongoing health woes, the Against All Odds hitmaker was sure to impress fans with a medley of Genesis' greatest hits alongside an eye-catching light show. Although he remained seated for the entire performance, the music legend proved that he hasn't lost his voice as he belted out the band's classics. Last month, Phil left fans worried as he revealed he can barely hold a drumstick anymore in a rare interview. The music legend, who has sold more than 250 million records worldwide as a solo artist and member of rock band Genesis, has been plagued with health issues in recent years. Now aged 70, Phil told BBC Breakfast that he can no longer play the drums at all. He said, "I'm kind of physically challenged a bit, which is very frustrating because I'd love to be playing up there with my son." When asked if he could still play his favorite instrument, he answered, No, I would love to, but, I mean, I can barely hold a stick with this hand, so there are certain physical things that get in the way." Phil previously described the gigs as putting it to bed, and he stood by his downbeat analysis this morning. He said, "Well, you say things as we are all men of our age, and I think to some extent, yeah, I think it probably is." Fan concern. Viewers were saddened to see the musician looking frail. One wrote on Twitter, "Shocked and sad to see #Phil Collins' physical health and wish I could see #Genesis put to bed UK tour." First fell in love with Genesis in the mid-80s as a teen, progressing to Phil Collins' unique multi-gifted musical genius as a solo artist. Come to Bristol or Cardiff. Another posted, "Aw, just seen Phil Collins on BBC Breakfast. He doesn't look at all well." A third said, "Wow. Watching Phil Collins speak, again, what a reminder to live life to the full and awareness of our time on Earth." Phil's health. The 80s icon has had a spate of health issues since a spinal injury in 2007. He injured vertebrae in his upper neck, which led to crippling nerve damage. He also had acute pancreatitis, where the pancreas becomes inflamed and swollen over a short period of time. The condition, caused by heavy boozing, nearly cost him his life, with Phil previously saying, "My organs were kind of FD. It was spirits, corrosive stuff." He realized he was just hours away from death when he heard the doctor ask his family if his will was in order. Phil also suffers from foot drop, which sees him now wearing orthopedic shoes. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.